Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz Sloth. Today's challenge, can you guess the logo by its sound? We've got 40 sound bites and just 10 seconds to guess each one, with 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. Think you could conquer them all? As a thank you, Flash is doing a special giveaway for those who commented on our last video. We've highlighted a few of our favorite commenters. Keep commenting for your chance to be featured. Now, smash that subscribe button, grab your headphones, and let's dive into the challenge. We're starting easy. Whose logo is that sound?
Love that chicken from Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Spicy guess, and it's Popeyes.
Love that chicken from Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Which logo made that sound? Yeah, so familiar. It's Netflix. And that's TikTok, my daily scroll zone. Here we come, Super Mario. Who's missing? Find the character. He is right. Those eyes don't miss a thing. Back to the guessing game. So easy, that's Universal. Identify the logo by its sound. Porsche. Can you identify this logo by its sound? McDonald's. Did you guess right? Where's that McDonald's M hiding? Yep, you found it well, buddy. What logo matches this sound? It's the one and only Apple. And this one could be Pepsi. Have you ever heard this sound? Of course, it's Pixar. It's bonus round time. Spot the character's name. Piece of cake. It's our cowboy Woody. Now, choose your gift. Gift 1. Easy as that. Comment your beautiful name and share this video with a friend. You could be featured in our next episode. Grab your chance to shine. Gift 2. What's your favorite Pixar film you've seen? I'm eager to hear. Don't be shy. Share your thoughts with us, and you might get a shout out in our next video. Listen carefully. The next round is coming up. So iconic, it's Windows. You've crushed the easy level. Now it's time for medium. Are you ready? Yep, that's Hulu. This sound looks familiar, right? Yes, of course, The Amazing World of Gumball. Which eye truly belongs to Gumball? C for correct! Nailed it! Can you name the logo behind this sound? Boom! That's gotta be Instagram. Got any names in mind? No doubt, Xbox. Sound on. Which logo's this? The answer's The Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. Quick, guess this one.
Bingo!
That sound? Totally Bluey.
Bingo!
Can you remember what's next?
There. It's clear, but Muffin, I don't think I should help you.
B's the winner. Outstanding work.
What about now? Ah, not clear, not clear!
Gotcha!
Round 23. Can you guess this iconic logo sound? That's Oreo. Nice one, friend. Keep it up. You must know this unique sound. You know that funny sound? Minions, for sure. Which one's the real Thong Stewart? You're such a big fan. It's A. Next challenge. Which logo comes to mind? Impressive, it's Sony Pictures. Do you know this logo?
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Ready for the road ahead.
Volkswagen. Volkswagen.
Look closely and find the one that doesn't quite fit in. Bingo! This one's the sneaky imposter. Here comes the hard level. Are you up for it? Wii Sports, of course! Game on! Next sound incoming in 3, 2, 1. DVD video. How about this one? Final Fantasy VII. Get ready for the epic journey. Fantastic! It's Sonic the Hedgehog. Get ready to flex your memory. Watch closely. 8 emojis are on the screen. Can you spot which emojis changed? Right on! Number 5 switched. You're on fire. Listen carefully. The next sound is coming up. Nissan, driving innovation forward. What's the logo behind this sound? Wonderful! This is Capcom. Check out the next one. Can you guess? Sci-fi. Oh, Blumhouse Productions, where horror thrives and nightmares come alive. Which movie was not made by Blumhouse Productions? It's D. A Quiet Place was produced by Platinum Dunes, not Blumhouse. Match the sound to the logo. Ubisoft. Last question. Which logo does this sound belong to? On target. That's GTA San Andreas. Thank you for joining us. Drop your scores in the comments. We're excited to see how you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes. Now, pick your next challenge, and we'll see you soon.